Just no.
Is this
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, welcome back. Today we're gonna playing basketball in the middle of a snowstorm. Me against freaking Discount Agent Smith from the Matrix right here. First one to 5. Or you know what? First one to 10. We'll see how long that takes. Alright, ready? It's a snowstorm right now, so I can barely see. Alright, ready? Oh shit. I can't see. No way. No way. 1-0. No. Oh no. Watch out!
Dude, play it up to 3.
You're kidding me.
2-0.
It's getting worse.
My fingers are freezing.
Kobe.
You suck.
Shut up.
Shoot.
Shoot it.
No. There's no way.
Oh man. Hey man, the faster you score, the faster you can finish.
I can't. Get out the way, poser.
My hands are freezing. Because the eyes has a red.
3-0.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh, dude. You suck.
Jesus, that's soccer.
You gotta be kidding me.
This is for the game.
Did you make it?
Yeah, I made it.
2-0. I mean 5-0. That's it.
I thought it was 4-0.